Guys, good morning, good morning. Today, magluto ko o ginataang gulay. Yan, ginataang gulay. With coconut milk, alright? So, good morning guys. Ayan po guys, magluto ta o ginataang gulay. Hello po! Hi! Really, so my kids, they're not eating much of the vegetables, you know. But me, I love ginataan. So magluto ko karong ginataan. And then if my kids will like it, it's very good. But if they're not, they just like the soup of the ginataan. But it's okay. I cannot force them, but I can do something. Kahit paano, they still have vegetables in their diet. So they're very picky because they are kids, guys. So we cannot help that. All we have to do is just have to work out what we can do so that they can intake some vegetables in their diet. Okay, that's mom's doing. Okay, magluto na po tayo. Ayan. Naglulod na po sa mong siboy. Ako. Wala ko ilain na kanila ako isahog sa ako ang ginataan, guys. Gamay lang, piniritong isda. Ayan, sibuyas. So, nalunod na ako mga panakot, guys. Butangan na itong asin gamay. Asin, bitsin. Ako, ginabutangan ako ganay-nani una, guys. Ayan mga gulay. And magic sarap. It's magic sarap po. Human guys, ilunod na nato atong pinirito. Yan. It's a budget, super budget. Olam, ginataang gulay. And then guys, pagkahuman pila ka minuto guys, ilunod na nato ang atong gulay. Ayan, nalunod na po natin atong gulay. Ayan na po guys. Yan po ang atong gulay. And then, butangan natin ng konting tubig. Ayan po, konti po. Ayan, lagyan natin ng konting tubig ng atong ginataang gulay. Para maluto po ang ang gulay guys. Yan, konti lang po ang akong gibutang. Hello guys! Ato sang magulat sa tag pila ka minuto guys. Let's wait another minute para maluto na po yung mga gulay natin. Okay. So let's wait another minutes po guys. So our vegetable will fully cook, and then before we put the coconut milk. All right. So ayan, maghintay muna tayo ng konti. So I guess it's already cooked. We will put now the coconut milk. Ayan, coconut milk. So let's wait to boil it again, guys, before we put this. We finally put this one. O say maglambod akong dila sa English guys. Pasensya na po kayo. Yan na po ang pitsay ko na dahon. After po, pabukal pa po natin yan bago natin ibagyan ang pitsay. So, ayan po guys. It's just now boiling. So, konti lang po. So, it's now boiling guys. Ilagay na po natin ang leaves ng pitsay. So, ayan. Leaves po yan ng pitsay guys. Yan na po ang ating ginataang gulay. Yan na po ang ginataan nating gulay na kalabasa, batong, talong, and pichay. So yan na po ang finished product natin guys. Bon appetit! Maniod ta!